YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi Meets, and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. As y'all can see, we are at Lower Wacker Drive right now, and this video has indeed been long overdue for y'all, man. Basically, y'all already know, man, we're gonna be tearing up these tunnels. We're gonna be going ahead and tearing up the tunnels, man, so y'all can, you know, hear the pops, the crackles, all that good stuff that you know, basically all that good stuff. So before we get into the video, basically all that's done to my exhaust is a straight pipe, no cats, and a H-pipe 5-inch tips, as y'all can see. And that's the setup that we're gonna go with tonight. It's pretty loud down here, so hopefully y'all can hear me. We're gonna get into the car, and I'm gonna give y'all this raw footage of this POV. So y'all make sure y'all enjoy the content, sit back and relax. And put your headphones in for the best experience, man. Let's get into the video. All right, y'all. Seatbelts, man. Always seatbelts. We're gonna go windows down for right now. In drive, sport mode on, traction off. All right, man. Y'all sit back and enjoy, man. Y'all sit back and just enjoy. This car sounds insane down here, y'all. This car sounds so insane down here, bro. So insane down here, y'all. Bro, this car sounds so insane down here, y'all. It's ridiculous, bro. Like, in person, it sounds so insane. And I'm pretty sure it's probably a couple other cars just down here, just shit. Like, sometimes this shit is like a video game, bro. Like, just hopping in here, coming down here, like, it's like free roam, bro. It's like, it's crazy. Hopefully I don't get lost under here, y'all. back down there. Y'all did not mean to go. Ah! No! We're going back, y'all. We're definitely going back down there. I did not mean to come up here. Fuck up here. I was finna get active, boy, till that light just turned. I was about to go. Appreciate you. Y'all hear that? I hear other. Oh, I need to get over there. I need to get over there. Nigga, it's a red light. That trash stank. Goodness gracious, that shit stank. Damn it. Holy fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. It's like an endless tunnel. I'm gonna make sure I go right this time, because left ended up taking me back up. So I did it again. Fuck. Fuck, I did it again, y'all. I went fucking back up again. God. I went back up again. I was trying to stay down below. Down below. I was trying to stay down, man. Fuck. That sucked. Yo, what is he doing? Oh, man. Let me bag up, brothers. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Ooh. I want them Daytona wheels, bro. Every time I see electric wheels, cuz. Let me get them hoes. Let me get them hoes. Let me get them hoes. I want them wheels, though. I want them wheels, though. I want them wheels. Hey, man. Oh, man. My shit idle so good back there, man. Y'all can hear it? Can y'all hear that shit? My shit idle so good back there. Oh, he on what I'm on. Fuck. Hey, fuck you, bitch. Fucking dickhead. I got another tunnel for y'all. By the way, how y'all like the new cluster, man? I love it. Look at that miles per gallon, bro. That shit's terrible, bro. Can I turn? Fuck it, I'm gonna turn. How? Yeah, that's wild. Man, what the fuck they on, cuz? Folks finna might well run a light, boy. Shit. That motherfucker not it, boy. Turbo smart. Damn, these motherfuckers finna crash and some more shit. Somebody back there scratching off. Don't y'all just love the city, man? Gotta love the city. Gotta love the city. Damn, bro, you gonna go? Nah, you ain't gonna go. Fuck it. That bitch drunker than a skunk. That bitch drunker than a skunk. Alright, y'all, let me go ahead and close out this motherfucking video. Man, shut up, nigga. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I wish I could have stayed on Lower Wacker pretty long, but that was like kind of like an endless tunnel, you dig? So y'all got the gist of it. Y'all got just about the gist of it. Love the white LED lights on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on, so y'all don't miss a drop. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man.